Kirindi kinene gicigo-ini kia Nankopir kiyumiritie kwiyonera mwiri wa mundurume ogithikurio thutha wake kwagwo gwa kahinda ka mieri 2. Mihang'o ino itafanitio rungu rwa ugitiri munene uria ugacirithitio ni maabitha a ugitiri na guthurima miri matongoretio ni ndagitari munene wa guthurima miri Johansen Oduor. Ona gukiri uguo muingi wihuritwo ni matukoyanio utafaniri igeria ria gutharikira ngari cia maabitha acio a borithi makienda mwikuiro wa njuragano iyo uria wonereirie borithi haria mwiri uyu urathikitwo arekererio niguo mamugere ngero.
Because they wanted to administer what they call instant justice to the suspect. However, we thank God our team.
Kuringana na maabitha a borithi mwikwiro arauga Okoth acemanirie na gikuo giake ari rungu rwa rori athondekaga.
Once the postmortem is done, we shall see whether the injuries are sustained and consistent with the story he is giving us.
Ona gukiri uguo rugano rwa mwikwiro ni rwekirirwo nganja ni maabitha a borithi a ruhonge rwa thuthuria makiyuria angikorwo ni mutino niki giatumire amuthike. Riu family ya mundurume uyu yetereire kumenya wega thutha wa thuthuria wa mwiri ucio guthurimwo na njira ya gwikwo DNA.
We'll be able to see the injuries, the alleged injuries, and then we arrive at a conclusion on what possibly could have caused those kind of injuries.
Abel Okoth orire kuri tariki 6 mweri wa kenda gukirikana ati mwikwiro wa njuragano iyo uria uikaine ta Rasta mambite kugucania kirabu-ini kimwe na gugituthuka rumena ruria rwacungirire gikuo kiu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Peter Mwangi.